Hi, so today I will show you how we can clone the model of YouTuber Unity and how you can transfer your motion to a 3D character model. So before proceeding you can search on VTuber like whatever the keyword you want to add. Like first I am adding VTuber GitHub. So you can find a number of models on GitHub which are based on VTuber, and you can implemented all those models. So I've listed out three models. So basically one of the model is VTuber Unity, but this repository has been archived by the owner, so it's only read only, but you can clone this model in your local directory, and then you can start the implementation. And the next two models is again the VTuber Python Unity tutorial. So you can find like similar, you can find different models of implementation of YouTuber. Again, this is the third model. So the idea and the mechanism behind this is the same, because they all are using VTuber and the code is similar to the same. So I've worked on specifically on this model, and I've cloned this on my local system. So let's start with the code. I'll share my screen with you, so you can share the uh, you know like screen with the code. So this is my directory. I've cloned this model into this folder as music, and specifically as VTuber Unity. So before proceed further, you need to do certain steps of installation. Like if you're using operating system Windows, or if you're using Ubuntu, so you need to follow the installation of requirements. So basically there are two files available in the model. Likewise, if you're using GPU, so you can prefer installation of requirements as based on GPU. And if you're not using GPU and if you're using CPU, so you need to install the requirement file as per the current version of your system, and as per the current software version of your system. So likewise, if you are using Windows, so I would recommend to use Anaconda as Conda environment, and if you are using like Linux, Ubuntu, so you can create virtual environment. So in my case, I have also created virtual environment. So as you can see on the screen, I have created virtual environment. So I'm opening my terminal, and I'm activate activating my virtual environment. So here is the command to activate virtual environment. So I've started my virtual environment. Again, you need to download certain files from this model. Likewise, you need to download the model file, and you need to extract it into the face alignment under the folder name of checkpoint. And again, you need to download one more file which is called the character file. So from the release page, you can find both the files. Likewise, the Linux zip file and the model zip file. So you need to download both these two files, and you just need to extract in the current directory. So I've done this. So likewise, I've shared you this screen, so you can find this file, as well as you can also find the model file. So once the download is completed, you just have a look of how characters look like. So you can find the character image like this. So again, I've created activated my virtual environment. So I've followed the installation of CPU as well as on the GPU. So currently I am working on GPU version. So likewise, you can activate, or you can follow the requirements as per the version. So I am running the main file. This is called updated code.py. And again, for face alignment basis on the daily, firstly, if you want to check whether your model is working fine on uh, face alignment, so you just need to edit the code as you need to pass the argument basis on debug. So once you enter the code and hit enter, your model look like. So here you can see the screen. So the camera detected my face, and there is a rectangle face, and the facial key points on my faces. So I just stop this, and likewise to it's hard to to so terminate the window. So again I have started or activated my virtual environment. Again I need to connect with the Unity character. So for this I need to again following the command as updated code, and hashtag I need to add argument as debug, as I'm connecting with the Unity character, so I am passing the argument as connect, and again I'm working on as CPU version as well as on the GPU version. But for working condition I have mentioned as CPU, so you can also work on CPU version. So again this is connection refused. The reason behind it, I have not opened the character. So like this is one of the most occurring issue, like where code is updated but still you got the error of connection refused. So you need to open parallel window of your character, and again you need to run the same command. So see, so this code is working in the same in the manner. So here I have parallelly open the window, and this is again my on the CPU version. So this is again list of the range. So again I rerun this code. So you can see the movement of character all over the camera, up and down. So again this is no I'll in the next video I will fix this, but trust you can find this video as suitable as if you are interested to working around the virtual environment and with the Unity character. And also you can also create your own character in like in the Unity hub, or you can create a new project in the Unity hub, or you can follow any of the tool like to create characters. So this is how it look like, and this is how you can work on this. Like as the same manner you can also follow this model as well as for such kind of animation, such kind of motions. So on the back end you can create this model with the rigging of hair, eyes, or any type of accessories which you can carry on the model. So you can create by your own, and you can enjoy the motions around the anime and around your webcam. So this is how it looks like, and if you like the video, just hit the like button, comment what you think, and suggest if I'm wrong on it at any point, so I will improve in the next video. Thank you.